this report, we call it as Personal Credit Report Plus. Personal Credit Report Plus is a comprehensive report which includes iScore and secret information. Okay, I will walk you through how to read this report. So a credit report is a record on how you manage your money. Your credit report contains of information from banks, from credit institutions, non-banks, and even the government. For example, if you have paid the bank previously on time, so your report will reflect that history in your report. So based on this information, your credit score is calculated. So when you get your report, first thing first, you must check your name, your IC, your address on the report. So right after your personal information, you can see there's a credit score. Okay, your credit score is being grouped into 10 risk grade from 1 to 10, and it is from weak, fair, good, and strong. So the score is ranging from 201 to 781. So the higher the score, the better creditworthiness of an individual. Okay. After the risk grade, okay, we provide 2 key contributing factors for you to know that actually why your score cannot go higher for your improvement. Right? What are the advantages by improving your credit scores? One of the reasons is also lower your credit rates and speed up the credit applications approvals. Okay, this is the secret information. Secret information is about your loans, your car loans, your housing loan, your credit cards. Under this Mr. Lam's report, he has a credit card of 50,000, which has been approved in year 2015. If you look to the end of the right-hand side, there's an installment in area for the last 12 months. The report read from right to the left. 0 means this account is promptly paid on time. So this account started to default in the year of 2018, January. Okay, missed payment 1 and missed payment 2 in February, March, and April. So in the month of May 2018, this account started to be paid off, settle all the outstanding, and it becomes 0 again. Okay, this is what we call the payment history. Payment history is one of the most important factors in credit scoring. And even one missed payment can have a negative impact on your credit score. And the next one will be credit limit utilization. So try not to use more than 30% and make sure before the due date you pay on time. Yes, then that will actually help you to increase the credit score. One of the factors is about your credit history length. Generally, the longer your credit history, the higher your credit score. Okay. Another factor that is the credit mix. So credit scoring models consider the type of accounts and how many of each you have as an indication how well you manage a wide range of credit products. When you apply any loans with a bank, it will display here in your secret report, in your this secret section. Pending decision by FI or approved by FI, those loans that has been rejected, it will not show in your this secret report. So when you submit a new credit application, bank does an inquiry into your credit history by pulling your credit report from us. So that will actually affect your credit score. So don't open an account unless you really need it. Your personal credit report also contains information of your business involvement as director, shareholders, owner, or partners of companies or businesses as available in Experian database. The next section will cover Angkasa SPGA information. This is the monthly salary deduction for government servant. Okay, this report also shows legal actions record. Under the CRA Act, for legal action, there is actually a cut-off of 2 years. Same goes to bankruptcy as well. In this report, it also display the Trade Bureau information. Trade Bureau information is a non-banking credit information that we captured. Example, telco, hot memories, signal. Okay, it will actually show in this report. Inquiry made on you is a section where it shows on what date and who has conducted a search on you.